Hello friends, welcome to my first Adobe Illustrator tutorial. So you will find many basic tutorials on YouTube, so I don't bother creating new ones, but I will give you some tutorial on techniques that you might not find on other channels. So today I will show you how to convert a rasterized image to a vector image. Why? Good question. Sometimes we need a bigger picture than the size of the picture we have on hand. If we expand it, it breaks down. This requires a vector image. As you can see on the screen, there is a picture whose size 512 is to 512. But I need at least 1000 is to 1000. So if I expand it or zoom it, what will happen? So you can see on the screen what actually happening if I zoom in it. Pixels are broken. As you can see on the screen, there are lots of dot. These are pixels. These are broken and image quality fall down. So we need vector image to make it bigger size. So if you're new here, subscribe my channel and let's go make it better. So first open Adobe Illustrator, go to file, click on open, select your desired image and click open again. So we need to make background transparent, so go to view and click show transparency grid or shift Ctrl D key on the keyboard. So now select the image and click on the image trace on the option bar. So it desaturated and there is a background also. To make it colorful, go to preset on the option bar and click on the drop down icon, select high fidelity photo. So it's colorful, but background is the problem. To remove background, go to option bar again and select expand. Select expand. Now go to toolbox and select direct selection tool, not selection tool, direct selection tool, and click on the transparent background to deselect the image, and again select the only background color like white in this image. So click on the white and press delete. So it's backgroundless vector image now. As you can see, nothing happened if I zoom in or expand it. So select direct selection tool and transform the image by click and dragging the points, positioning in as you want. After that, export this image as PNG. So go to file, export, and save it as a PNG. Don't change any options here, just click OK. So let's see the difference. As you can see on the icon, there is a difference on the size. This is the photo nothing happened if I zooming it. Of course it will have a breakdown too if you zooming it more than 300 times or like that. So you can see the difference between before and after. 512 to 3744, there is a huge size increases. So that's it. If you like it, subscribe please. Thank you. Thanks for being here.